What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. This is the lesson 4 regarding using the laws of exponent to simplify rational exponents. The first example I have here is 27u to the power of 1 over 2 to the power of 2 over 3, and here we have 8 x to the power of 1 over 4 to the power of 2 over 3. Answer will be, I just separate them. It's going to be 27 to the power of 2 over 3 times u to the power of 1 over 2 to the power of 2 over 3. 27 is 3 cubed, 2 over 3. U to the power of 1 over 2 times 2 over 3. That makes it 3 squared u to the power of 1 over 3, which makes it 9 cube root of u. The next one is 8 to the power of 2 over 3 x to the power of 1 over 4 times 2 over 3. 8 is 2 to the power of 3, 2 over 3, x to the power 2 to the power of 3, 2 over 3, yes, and 1 over 4 to the power of 2 over 3. That makes it 2 to the power of 2, and here you have x to the power of 1 over 4 times 2 over 3, which makes it 4 x to the power of 2 over 12, or 4 x to the power of 1 over 6. Next example, 32x to the power of 1 over 3 to the power of 3 over 5, and 64x to the power of 2 over 3 to the power of 3. Answer is 32 to the power of 3 over 5 times x to the power of 1 over 3 to the power of 3 over 5. 32 is 2 to the power of 5 to the power of 3 over 5, x to the power of 1 over 3 times 3 over 5. That makes it 2 to the power of 3 times x to the power of 1 over 5. Because 1 over 3 times 3 over 5 is going to be 1 over 5. 2 to the power of 3 is 8, x to the power of 1 over 5. Next one is 64 to the power of 3 times x to the power of 2 over 3 times to the power of 3. So the first one is going to be 64 to the power of 3, which makes it 262,144. X to the power of 2 over 3 times 3 is going to be just 2. So it's going to be 262,144 x squared. Then, next example. Says 16 x to the power of 1/3 to the power of 3 over 2. That makes it 16. The answer is 16 to the power of 3 over 2 times x to the power of 1/3 to the power of 3 over 2. That makes it 16 to the power of half to the power of 3, x to the power of 1 over 3 times 3 over 2 is going to be 1 over 2. And here 16 to the power of half is 4. 4 to the power of 3 is 64. And here we have square root of x. This is the final answer. So that would be lesson 4 and how we use the laws of exponents to simplify rational exponents. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can find out lots of playlists and videos regarding different topics in math and science. Thank you and have a great day.